We have an old Lennox scrap unit here. I don't recall what the issue was, but we got 4 blades. The Lennox logo on it though. And the data. Can't tell what compressor it's got. It's got one though. And flimsy, I can press this in. I actually touched the fan blade here.